In the previous videos, I showed you what VocaiQ is and how it handles the calls coming into your business. Now I want to show you another important part of the job, the calls going out. An outbound follow-up agent has a different role. It works with the internal context of a specific assignment. It already knows which client is involved, what work is being completed, where the project stands, what is scheduled next, and why the employee is being contacted. That context matters because field workers are busy. Nobody working on a job site wants to stop, open an app, find the correct project, and fill out another form. A phone call is an interface they already know, so they can provide the update naturally while the system handles the structure behind the conversation. Here is a recorded demonstration of what that workflow can sound like.
Hi, Mark. This is Sophia, the Automated Installation Operations Assistant. Just a heads up, this call is being recorded. Do you have a minute for a quick project follow-up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks, Mark. Is the installation still moving according to plan?
Yes, everything is on track.
Good to hear. Can you confirm that you will be able to receive tomorrow's cabinet delivery at the site?
Yes, I will be on site and I can receive the delivery.
Perfect. Before I finalize tomorrow's delivery, is there anything else you need added?
Yes, I am almost out of silicone, so I need 2 packs. I also need 20 hinge caps. The shelf supports from the last delivery were for regular shelves, but I need 100 supports for glass shelves instead.
Got it, thanks. Let me confirm. 2 packs of silicone, 20 hinge caps, and 100 shelf supports for glass shelves to replace the incorrect regular shelf supports. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Perfect. I have sent the supply request to your WhatsApp. Please open it, read both items and quantities, and make sure I understood everything correctly. If it is right, reply with a simple yes.
I have it open now. It says 2 packs of silicone, 20 hinge caps, and 100 glass shelf supports. That is correct. I am replying yes now.
Great. Thanks for confirming and replying yes on WhatsApp. Once your yes reply is received, I will forward the confirmed request to our warehouse manager so the silicone, hinge caps, and correct glass shelf supports can be prepared and added to tomorrow's cabinet delivery.
Perfect. That works for me.
Thanks, Mark. Tomorrow's delivery is confirmed. Have a good evening.
The outbound agent calls Mark to check the status of an installation, confirm that tomorrow's cabinet delivery is still on schedule, and make sure he will be available to receive it. During the conversation, Mark adds something that was not part of the original follow-up. He needs 2 packs of silicone, 20 hinge caps, and 100 supports for glass shelves because the previous delivery included the wrong type of shelf supports. The agent understands the correction, organizes the information, and reads the complete request back to Mark before anything moves forward. Mark confirms that everything is correct. In a live deployment, that confirmation can then be sent through the company's preferred communication channel. It could be WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, email, or another system the business already uses. This gives the employee a written summary to review and confirm, helping prevent quantities, product names, or other important details from being misunderstood. Once the employee confirms the request, the workflow can update the warehouse manager's task list for the following morning's delivery. The correct supplies can be prepared, checked, and loaded before the vehicle leaves the warehouse. The system also captures the fact that the wrong shelf supports were sent previously. That turns a simple supply request into useful operational feedback that can help prevent the same mistake from happening again. This is only one example of hundreds of follow-up workflows VocaiQ can be configured to support. The same approach can be used for daily field updates, delivery confirmations, supply requests, safety concerns, sales follow-ups, maintenance reports, and many other routine operational processes. Mark never needed to open an app. He simply spoke, while VocaiQ structured the conversation, captured the feedback, confirmed the delivery status, and prepared the missing supplies request for the responsible manager. This addresses one of the biggest challenges growing companies face: keeping every operation visible, tracked, and under control. The hardest part of introducing a new management system is often not the technology itself. It is changing the way people are accustomed to working. VocaiQ is not designed to replace managers. It helps managers build stronger operational systems by collecting information, the rough, natural conversations, and turning it into structured, actionable data. That significantly improves daily execution, accountability, performance reporting, and long-term strategic planning. Now imagine this operating across more than 100 languages. International teams can speak naturally in their own language while every update is structured in one centralized system. Imagine what that could do for your company's capabilities. The future is not simply AI replacing managers. It is managers who know how to work with AI outperforming and eventually replacing those who do not. Follow the channel to see more real-world examples of what VocaiQ voice agents can do. We'll explore each workflow one at a time.